Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your go-to holistic health and fitness expert. And this channel is all about how to heal your health, how to lose weight, how to transform your body shape inside and out within holistic way of living. I put myself into the line of researching and studying all about holistic way of living, homeopathy, natural healing and Ayurveda in the last 16 years and found the way which is possible to transform your health in just 3 months. No matter where you are right now, I can help you to change for the long-lasting results where you would still after 3 months just improve your health, your body image and your weight loss, your weight structure, your body structure, because it's not only about losing 10 kilos, it's also to have, let's agree, the good quality of skin, to not have a stretch marks, to not have an strikes and spikes of cravings. It's about this balance within the food you eat, within your active lifestyle and with your stress management. In today's video, and also I want to share with you that you have an opportunity to book a free consultation call that I offer for all of you who watch my videos. The links is down below. You can send me a message just as it is and inquire for this free consultation call where I will meet you over Zoom, study where you are right now and offer you my transformation program for the 3 months when you will have a proven results and transform your health, your body image, your weight, the way you look at yourself in the mirror for lasting results. So do not wait any further, send me a message. In today's video, I want to share with you how to trigger your fat burning hormones to lose weight and to get those hormones to burn the fat. So it's very easy. With a holistic way of living, there are certain strategies involved. It's not only about diet, it's not a diet at all. It's a lifestyle you choose for the better you. It is eating habits, it is stress management, it is you being active and some other factors. So first of all, when you moderate your eating habits, you will boost your fat burning hormones and you would result that you are burning fat while eating well, while optimizing also and doing good for your digestion system, which would result in a smooth digestion, good immunity system and reduce any sort of inflammation from your body. So on all grounds you would benefit. What it is, how and what it is to correct in your eating habits. So for example, choose whole food, choose farmers choices, choose local suppliers, choose good genuine manufacturers. So when you choose fats, choose healthy fats, choose good protein, choose good quality of eggs. For example, maybe you have access to some farmers markets over in your city, in your area. Choose a good quality of fish, good quality of fish also which is grown locally in your area, in your country. I know there is all delicacy about this Norwegian salmon or French salmon, but if you live on the other side of ocean, there is no good in those salmon. So choose the local food items. Beef, if you are eating meat, any sort of meat, choose the local production. Again, choose the farmer choices because there is a good supply with the farmers because they are not tend to use so much of chemicals and so much of pesticides to feed their animals. So also in the food hierarchy, you need to choose the clean food, a lot of good vegetables and a lot of fruits for the support of your gut health with a good fiber, because when you eat a lot of fruits and vegetables which are rich in fiber, you clean also your digestion system and you support your digestion system with these good bacteria that help you to operate your gut health in a clean way. So while you're cleaning your house, this bacteria needs also to have the power to clean your digestion system and your gut health. But when you continuously eating processed food and spicy food and sweet food and a lot of artificial ingredients, does not have any sort of growth for this bacteria, and even so it kills this bacteria. That's why you have an issue with gut health, with metabolic feelings, with a bloating, constipation and gas. So that's why it's all comes break down to the food. And also the stress management. When you are in continuous stress, when you triggered on the life situation, either it's locally in your family, to yourself related, either it's something massive in your business, at work, with your colleague, with your boss, with your employees, in your country, even the political situation. From COVID, we've been also so stress more sensitive. So when you dedicate that time in these two aspects to deal with the stress management, first is of course when you sleep properly and when you have enough of water for sleep. There is not an accident. There is a very old saying: if you have any issue, sleep over and then you will come up with the solution. But if you go to bed and just look at the ceiling, does not make a solution. You do not get any sleep, you get restless, and also you let your brain work in the worst case scenario, right? Let's agree here. So when you practice and mindfulness to deal with the stress management, and such tools like meditation, breath technique like pranayama, yoga, pilates, it's help you to build up your stamina to resist to any sort of stress in all again grounds, either it's personal, family, work, business, political, global, worldwide, any sort. You would be in the state not to react to the stress, but you would be in the state that you can take the responsibility and resolve the situation. You do not need to react, because it just triggers, make you angry, make you anxious, and spike your cortisol levels. That does not help you at all, involve you in eating more, emotional eating, gaining weight, have sleepless nights, results in a bad looks, because also you feel fluffy, you feel tired, you feel exhausted, you feel exaggerated. So there is no good. Practice yoga. I know maybe you would say, I do not have time, but if you dedicate even 30 minutes in your day in the morning, you would be ready for the day to take anything that it have and resolve the situation. So I believe the 30 minutes is worth it than you would spend 10 hours of your day in the house of the anxiety and stress and anger. So also would result that you would have a good quality of sleep, because you will not play against the scenarios. You would be easy to take the decision to resolve the situation. So while you're eating well, while you take care of your stress management, also being active, and such as exercise like a HIIT, when you get an extensive exercise over 30-20 minutes, you involve all your body. I personally love to teach my clients Tabata. It's such a great exercise. I would also put a link here. I have one video with a practical exercise where you can follow on the video my instruction and do it with me, which is just 10 minutes. And imagine this, in the morning when you wake up, you do this 10 minutes of Tabata. You survive, because at the beginning, if you haven't tried before, it would be difficult. Even me myself, when I started, I was like not crying, but I was sweating like hell, thinking, why did I start it? Why did I do this for myself? But it's help you to engage all your muscles, all your body, increase your strength, increase your stamina, and then you would realize if you have done this 10 minutes of Tabata in the morning, you can do anything in your day. So this kind of exercise, also being active while walking, running, doing again Pilates or some weight training, would increase your stamina and strength to deal, and would engage the fat burning hormones to promote your fat loss and get rid of those unwanted kilograms or pounds. So here to be aware that it's not only to put yourself on a low-fat diet or low-calorie diet. No, you still need to eat a rich nutrient whole food, because you need to have also, while losing this weight, losing this fat, you sure need to have an aesthetic look of your skin, of your body, because it does not mean that you lose 20 kilo and you will become happy. You still look at yourself in the mirror and you see the sluggishness, the stretches, and the cellulite. But when you go to the concept with the holistic approach, when you still eat the micro elements from the food, you serve your best, you rest well, you practice the stress management, and you work out, you would see how all this ecosystem collaborate together for you to be the better in all aspects, inside and out, the body, the organs, the weight loss, the fat burning. Your hormone would be at this balance, so you would not get disturbed with any sort of imbalance in the hormonal health, which is absolutely important for men and women. So if you are at the struggle how to start the holistic lifestyle, how to get these absolutely amazing results for yourself, again, do use this opportunity of free consultation call, send me a message, let's discuss and transform your life. Why to wait any further? Why to wait to the state where you need to lose weight, or where you have an issue and you need to get on this lifestyle changes? Let's prepare the grounds and enjoy the life being your best version of yourself. This is it for this video. Do not forget to put like, subscribe, share with someone who need to know this information. Let's grow together the community of people who follow holistic way of living, who promotes longevity, anti-aging, being happy inside and out, being genuine and really healthy. So this is what I wish for you. I want to help you to reach this, and I will see you in the next video.